How are you all? From which city you are joining? Type in the chat box. From which all cities you are joining? And I want to see your pretty faces, so no black boxes. Come on the cameras. The way you show up, the way you show up anywhere is the way you show up in your life. It's not about a Zoom class. It's not about a Zoom session. क्या ही हो जाएगा कैमरा बंद रखूंगा तो what will happen? Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. And that is why nothing will happen. How many of you got the joke? Type me in the chat box if you got the joke. I just said people who are behind the cameras, come on, cameras, come on, cameras. The way you show up anywhere is the way you show up anywhere, and nothing will happen. If you don't on your cameras, also, nothing will happen. And that is why nothing will happen. Confusing? Did you get it? Just type in the chat box, got it, if you got it, and type in the chat box, no, if you didn't get it. I want some answers in the chat box. Not really. Okay. Who got it? So we think this is just a Zoom class. I'll keep my camera off. Nothing will happen. If I don't on my cameras, nothing will happen. If I keep my cameras off, I will just attend like that. Just सुनना ही तो है ना, बड़ी कौन सी बड़ी बात है? Not a great thing, no? We can off our cameras and listen to any session. But my dear friends, do you realize this is what we are doing at many places in our life? We are not showing up. We are not showing up the way we should really show up. Because why? The way you show up at one place is exactly the way you will show up at every place in your life. So it's not about a Zoom class. It's not about a session. It's not about Dr. Poonam. It's not about anyone. It's about who? It's about who? It's about you. So type in the chat box me. Me. Type. It's about you. It's not about keeping the camera off or keeping the camera on. I can finish the session with all these black boxes also. I don't have any problem. I'll do but I'll finish my lecture and I'll go. But that is not the purpose. Are you getting lots of knowledge on the internet? You are getting lots of knowledge, no? Scroll karte ho na din bhar. We all scroll. We all are scrolling lots of knowledge about diet, about food, about exercise, about yoga, about science, about spirituality. How many of you are scrolling? We have the habit. Come on, guys, show up. Show up on cameras and show me some answers in the chat box. Please type something. We all scroll a lot of information on the social media, on the internet. I am not here giving you any more gyan. Sorry. Okay, so don't leave the class because I told you such so bluntly. It's not about gaining more knowledge, my dear friends. Don't you think बहुत सारा knowledge है? बहुत सारा knowledge है. Everyone is having access to lots of knowledge in the world. How many of you believe knowledge is power? Type in the chat box, yes. Knowledge is power. So many people, yes, very good. Yes, of course, knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Come on, show me your faces. You will feel very nice if you show up. Show up your faces. Yeah. Knowledge is power. So many yes in the chat box. Thank you so much for your answers. My dear friends, if knowledge was power, don't you think we have lot of power? We have lot of power, right? We have lots of knowledge around us on Instagram, Facebook, social media, your YouTube, your PDFs, so many talks, TED Talks, podcast. And then Dr. Poonam is also putting so many videos on the channel and Insta. But. So many people are doing but. Knowledge hai na bhaiya, knowledge is there. Now tell me, we are surrounded with power. We have all the power around us. Is it making you powerful? Ask yourself. Is it making you powerful? Type in the chat box. Yes, Rohit is telling how you use it is that's the real knowledge. Knowledge on its own is not power. Okay, knowledge on its own is not power. अगर ऐसा होता, if knowledge was really powerful, we all should be powerful. We should not have any problem in life. No health problem, no money problem, no job problem, no problem should be there in life. If knowledge was power, because we all are knowledgeable. But why do you think, even though we have so much knowledge around us, we are not that powerful? Where is the power leakage happening? Where is the power leakage happening? Why are we not powerful in this era of knowledge? We have so much knowledge around. Why are we not feeling powerful? Why we are surrounded with problems? Why we are having stress? Knowledge is there, but power is not there. Can I repeat? Knowledge is there, knowledge is there, but power is not there. So knowledge alone is not power. Do you agree with me? Type in the chat box yes. Type in the chat box yes if you agree with me. Knowledge on its own is not power. What is power? When you have the action, when you act on the knowledge you have, then that gives you the result and that makes you more powerful. So having lots of knowledge, I know this, I know that, मुझे पता है सब और मुझे सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है, I don't want to know anything more. You know, this keeps us stuck. So knowledge is not giving us the power. We know how to be healthy. Can you put in the chat box what all can you do to be healthy? The name of the group is Health is Wealth. Do you agree health is wealth? How many of you agree health is wealth? I have put the yes, you so some of the tips for getting healthy. How many of you believe health is wealth? All of you believe health is wealth, health is wealth, health is wealth, health is wealth, health is wealth. How much time you denote? How much time you devote for health? How much time you devote for wealth? What is the ratio? Think about it from your life. If health is wealth, कितना टाइम वेल्थ को जा रहा है, कितना टाइम हेल्थ को जा रहा है, जरा सोच के देखो. Just think about it. We know health is wealth only from our schools and books. We have not understood it properly. If we really understand and imbibe that health is wealth, my dear friends, listen to me. If we really understand and if we really value the statement, health is wealth, we will really value ourselves and we will not have so much of diseases around. The very reason that we are in a pandemic of diseases, of lifestyle diseases, because we don't understand that health is wealth. For us, wealth is everything. Why? Of course, wealth is important. I'm not denying that wealth is not important. But if we knew, अगर हमें अच्छे से पता होता ना कि health is wealth, तो आज इतनी बीमारियां नहीं होती. हॉस्पिटल्स इतने क्राउडेड नहीं होते, बेड्स नहीं है भैया. कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल में भी बेड्स फुल होता है. वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग इमरजेंसीज आर फुल. एंड डोंट आस्क द सिनेरियो ऑफ गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल. So it's high time that we really realize health is wealth in a truest sense, and that's the whole mission of this group. Health is wealth. So here I am not going to tell you do pranayama, do yoga, eat banana, eat apple, go for walking, go for exercise. All this you know. Do you know? Knowledge is there. Everybody knows knowledge is there. But how many of you are following it? Type in the chat box. How many of you are following it? Whatever you know, how many of you are acting on the knowledge you have? I'm following. Yes. Sampath is following. Yes. Not really. Thank you, Amalendu, for that honest answer. I like the people who are authentic. People trying to. Very good. See, many a times we write the answers. Yes, 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 yes. I'm following. I'm not following. Thank you. When you are authentic, see, I am very, very grateful for people who are writing no. I am trying, I'm working, I'm improving. Thank you so much for honest answers. You know what does that mean? I want to really congratulate each one of you who is typing the honest answers and not simply telling, yes, I'm doing. Because It shows that you are authentic, you are honest towards yourself. You're not chumma saying one answer, yes, that yes I know and yes I'm doing. You know that you want to take steps for your health and you are trying. And some of you have written very nicely that I am not doing. So this is called awareness. So you are aware that you want it. Everybody wants health. Health is wealth. Everybody wants. But everybody is not doing what they know that they should do. For example, very good example I'll give, and we have discussed in one of the sessions also. How many members are there in the Health is Wealth group? WhatsApp खोल के देखो. Type the number. उसमें one left, one gone. Then I used to feel why people are leaving the group. तो बाद में मुझे पता चला when some known people left, I thought क्या नाराज हो गए क्या. तो बोलते नहीं फोन चेंज हो गया या रीसेट किया तो व्हाट्सएप सब उड़ गया. सो देर आर मेनी रीजंस ऑफ पीपल लीविंग द ग्रुप. इट्स नॉट पीपल लीविंग, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द फोन सेटिंग एंड ऑल दैट. सो दे अगेन जॉइन इट. So what I'm telling, how many members are there in the WhatsApp group? Health is wealth. Yes, close to 500 and I think 19 or 520, 515 above. How many people are there in here? How many people are sitting here? Look at the participant number. 21 including you. What is that percentage? 500 में से 20 निकाले तो कितने हुए? Huh? That is the percentage that people want. Everybody wants health is wealth. When I started the group, I sent the link to so many people and I sent a very small video. Hey, this is going to be an amazing session. Please join it. It's free. There are no charges. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. बोल दिया. तो फ्री 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 है करके सब लोग आ गए. कितने हैं लोग? 515. और कितने हैं यहाँ पे अटेंडिंग सेशन एंड शोइंग कमिटमेंट टू देमसेल्व्स? Only 21. Now we are 22. What does this mean? We all want things, big things in our life, but are we showing up? We are not showing up. So please show up. And still, if people, guys, if your videos are off, you're still not showing up. So you have come to the session, that is a big show that you have come, but in the session, how we are showing also matters. Again, this is not the topic of today's discussion. Today, I want to discuss with you a very important topic called as stress. And why I'm discussing stress? Because this month is my birthday month and I am doing something special. All my years, all my years, I have celebrated birthday. But I used to think, what am I celebrating? What is that cake cutting? What am I really celebrating? Same old life? This time it is not old life. This time many new activities and many new vision and missions I have developed. Actually it's going to be like a new janma. So it's really a happy birthday month for me. And I'm doing really special for my community members, Health is Wealth especially. And I have been sharing in the group Burnout to Balance Masterclass. Today I'm giving a little movie का trailer होता है ना. So today I'm going to tell you what is it and why am I doing. Do I have your permission to tell you about that masterclass? Masterclass is going to be amazing. Few of you have already registered. Few of you have already in the main course as well. I can see some of the names, but I want you to register for the free masterclass. Again, I have kept it free because I go to 3, 4 hospitals. It's not about the money. It's about what do I really want people to understand. How will transformation happen? How will your health improve? How will your vicious cycle of diseases go away? So that's the intention that I have. That's the vision and mission I have. So, my dear friends, how many of you are stressed in life? Type in the chat box. Do you feel stress at most of the times in during the day or any time? Do you feel that you have stress? Or maybe I should ask other way. Who doesn't have stress? Okay, type in the chat box. No, 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 no. Okay, Rohit is telling Rohit, you only take the session today. Where is Rohit? I'll make him the host. Okay, We are human beings and we all are having stress. Okay, and that's okay. But everyone has stress in some of the other forms. The name of the stress is different, but all of us face stress. And stress, yes, I accept things as it comes. Very good, Rohit. Very nice. Next session we'll give to Rohit to conduct. So, yes. So stress comes in very, very small things or sometimes big things. Sometimes big things happen and we collapse in life. And sometimes small things like ग्लास टूट गया, बच्चे नहीं सुन रहे, हस्बैंड नहीं सुन रहे, वाइफ नहीं सुन रहे, मदर इन लॉ से झगड़ा हो गया, बॉस नहीं सुन रहा है, सेल्स नहीं हुआ, नंबर नहीं हुआ, सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी, प्रमोशन नहीं मिला, मुझे मिलना चाहिए था, उसको मिल गया. Comparison. All these things happen and we get stress from everywhere. And added to this, then we have diseases, then medicines, then cost, then bill, then hospital visits, then off from the job, gone. Then where is the joy? We are all surrounded with stress. So where is the joy? Where is the joy? Where is the happiness? Happy birthday, happy new year, happy Diwali, happy Dasra, happy anniversary. There is the happy. Only in the wishes. Do you agree with me? When we are wishing, when the festivals come, we have that happy, 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 happy. Uske alawa, where is the happiness in the real life? We have to find where is happy, who is happy, only in the wish with the fake smiles. No. That's why my mission is enough of fake wishing and enough of fake smiling. We really need to understand that we need to bring this happy word in our life, and it is possible because the goal of human life is happiness. And the moment we understand this, see whatever, okay, what do you want in life? What are your goals and desires? Same basic needs होता है ना, more money, more name, more fame, big house, big car, family, love, relationship, good. Same things we all have. Come on, cameras, guys. The energy transfer happens when you see me, when I see you, when you see me. So try to come on cameras. It makes a lot of impact. And thank you for people who are put their cameras on. Really, very grateful to them. So we have this, see, we don't have many problems in life. We have this 4, 5 problems only. I'm going to make your life very easy. ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है लाइफ में. Do you agree with me? Type in the chat box agree that there are not many problems. Problems are in this area only. Health problem, money problem, career problem, relationship problem, or maybe job problem. Agree? इतना ही 5-6 प्रॉब्लम ही है. 5-6 प्रॉब्लम ने दुनिया भर का नुकसान पूरा ढिंडोरा पिट के रखा है. So only these 5-6 problems have spoiled our lives. Can you imagine if there was a system that we could just handle this problem? Only 5-6 problems. And how do we run the life? We are running the life or they are running the life. We sometimes don't understand that whether we are having the problems or problems are having our life. It's deep. Did you get it? We don't understand whether we are having problems या problems में हमारी जिंदगी है या जिंदगी में problem है या problem में जिंदगी है या जिंदगी में problem है. I'm not getting mad. Don't worry. I'm just telling that we are surrounded with problems so much, and if we don't take care of these, it is going to have a big, big repercussion on our lives. And you see, this stress, how costly it is. What is the cost of this stress? Type in the chat box. Come on, cameras. Type in the chat box. What is the cost of stress? Cost of stress is that 5 lakh rupees when you pay for an angiogram, when you pay the 10 lakh rupees for a bypass surgery, when you pay lakhs and lakhs of rupees for this surgery, that surgery, diabetes complication, ICU admission. Main root cause is stress. And we think that no, it is not. It's okay, I'll manage. ठीक है. Health is wealth only books में अच्छा है. Real life में नहीं होता है. How much ever sessions I attend of Dr. Poonam, it's what she is telling, I don't agree. But I will continue to lead a stressful life. And it's okay for me to spend lakhs of rupees and then I take 5 lakh insurance, 25 lakh insurance and pay the premiums. This is how our life is running on autopilot mode. Do you agree with me? that we take stress so lightly that stress is just going under the carpet. सब चलता है, चलता है, चलता है, चलता है, चलता है, चलता है, और जब कब तक चलेगा? जब तक चलना बंद हो जाएगा, तब चलता है, जब तक मरता नहीं है। नहीं, this is not the way that we are going to follow, and that's the mission of Inner MBBS when I founded in December 2023. You know, Inner MBBS means the inner doctor within. इनर डॉक्टर एमबीबीएस, एक डॉक्टर बाहर का होता है और एक अंदर का होता है। हम सबके अंदर डॉक्टर है। वी ऑल हैव आवर इनर कंपस, आवर इनर गाइडिंग कंपस, आवर इनर डॉक्टर सिटिंग विद इन अस, एंड दैट एमबीबीएस इज माइंड, बॉडी, breath, and soul. The only way to activate our real health is see, there is no medicine, there is no doctor, there is no hospital for your health. Health is your responsibility. डॉक्टर, हॉस्पिटल, हेल्थ केयर, ये सब मिसनोमर है। हेल्थ केयर इज नॉट हेल्थ केयर। हेल्थ केयर इज अ डिसीज ट्रीटमेंट सेंटर। हेल्थ, हु टेक्स केयर? We are supposed to take care. And how do we take care? Not only by banana, yoga, walking, exercise. That's not enough. Many people are doing that and still stress prevails. So it's very important to have a right mindset and we catch hold of this stress. कि ये stress आता क्यों है? And why it is important to talk about stress and stress management. Because what happens when we have stress? What do you do when you have stress? Type in the chat box. क्या करते हो? शॉपिंग जाते हो? नेटफ्लिक्स कर लेते हो? मूवीज देख लेते हो? एक्स्ट्रा खाना खा लेते हो? चॉकलेट खा लेते हो? आइसक्रीम खा लेते हो? पार्टी कर लेते हो? स्ट्रेस आता है तो क्या क्या करते हो? इज दैट द वे टू हैंडल स्ट्रेस विच एड्स मोर स्ट्रेस? वॉट एवर यूर डूइंग विल एड मोर स्ट्रेस। शॉपिंग से पैसे खर्च हो जाएंगे, ज्यादा खाओगे तो वजन बढ़ जाएगा, इधर उधर पार्टी करोगे तो फिर से रॉन्ग सॉन्ग, लिसनिंग म्यूजिक, ओके, but most of the activities that we are doing is not the way to handle stress. It is called escaping mechanism. We are escaping stress. We are not facing the stress because we probably don't know how to do it. We are scrolling on Instagram, we read some podcast, we read some PDF, and we feel, हाँ, अभी हो जाएगा मेरा, मैं मेडिटेशन करता हूँ। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील लाइक दैट? थोड़ा मेडिटेशन कर लेता हूँ, 10 मिनट कर लेता हूँ, ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज कर लेता हूँ, अच्छा लगेगा। उसके बाद क्या होता है? मेडिटेशन के बाद अच्छा लगता है, उसके बाद आपको जब स्ट्रेस आता है, आपका मेडिटेशन आप उस वक्त कर सकते हो क्या? टेल मी। मतलब आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट मेडिटेशन, ऑफ कोर्स मेडिटेशन हैज इट्स ओन पावर एंड इट्स गुड, बट व्हेन द स्ट्रेस कम्स, अरे वो ऐसे बोल के नहीं आता है कि मैं रात को 9 बजे आऊंगा, मैं सुबह 6 बजे आऊंगा। स्ट्रेस ऐसे, डज स्ट्रेस गिव यू अ टाइमलाइन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू हैव स्ट्रेस एट 6 o'clock in the morning or I am going to come at 9 o'clock in the night? So better that time you can do meditation. I will also come that time and we will handle the stress. Does it come like that? No. Stress can come anywhere, anytime. That's the reason these tools and techniques, if we are doing just in the morning 10 minutes, just in the night 10 minutes, is not enough. The whole attitude has to shift. The whole mindset, the way we look at it. What is triggering me? From where is the stress coming? Is it coming from outside or I have only created it? When that awareness comes, you get powerful. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू कि पापा योगा करो, प्राणायाम करो, अच्छा है करो। करते करते योर बॉडी सिस्टम चेंजेस, यू बिकम मोर बेटर टू हैंडल द स्ट्रेस, ऑफ कोर्स, बट डोंट यू थिंक that in spite of doing all the techniques, in spite of doing all the techniques, if you're not doing then so you're way behind, but many of us have started doing, don't you feel that in spite of doing the techniques we still get stressed and we get frustrated in life? Do you agree with me? How many of you agree with me? कर रहे हैं, पता है, कर रहे हैं, लेकिन चल नहीं रहा है काम। स्ट्रेस आ रहा है। इवन दो वी आर नॉलेजेबल, स्ट्रेस आ रहा है। टेक्निक्स आई एम डूइंग, स्ट्रेस आ रहा है। And do you agree with me? It is high time to take charge of the stress. It is high time to take charge of the stress. Yes, because if you don't take charge of the stress will take charge of you. And then paying bills in the hospitals, endless treatments, and adding more stress. It's a never-ending cycle. So the main mission of this program, the Burnout to Balance Masterclass, which I'm bringing on this Friday, 10th. I will send the invite again in the WhatsApp group. Please register. It's a free masterclass where we will decode these secrets of stress management. And as you all have been seeing on social media, it's not that I'm only an oncologist and I'm telling you as a doctor perspective. I'm also a happiness and mindset coach. I have done several other courses on mindset from national and international trainers. And I have cracked the code of this mindset. If you would have met me 3 years ago, I was equally stressed and I was one in sitting in one of these Zoom rooms. मैंने ऐसे ऐसे सेशंस अटेंड किए हैं जहाँ पे ऐसे नॉर्मल लोगों की तरह मैं बैठती थी जूम में, लेकिन जूम का चेहरा ऑन, कैमरा ऑन, showing up the way you show up. See this program, many people will think कि नहीं इतना मजा नहीं आया, इतना मजा नहीं आया क्योंकि आपने शो अप नहीं किया. इफ यू शो अप and be in my energy, there is no way that you will tell like that. So your energy also matters, how much you are bringing yourself. It's not only what I am talking and what I am giving. So I was telling that I was also sitting in such Zoom rooms, showing up, attending so many sessions, and some of the international sessions used to happen at that zone. उनका timing पता है ना, अपना रात उनका दिन. So I have attended sessions at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, midnight. Okay, so there is a way that we can really kick off the stress from life. And it's not about doing those quick hacks only, but to understand the blueprint. You know what is a blueprint? What is a blueprint? Type in the chat box. Blueprint नाम सुना है? Come on cameras, guys. Have you heard the blueprint? Yes. Blueprint मतलब जैसे ये पक्का उसका जैसे अपना ये होता है ना जन्म पत्री. हैव यू हर्ड जन्म पत्री? ऐसे हमें स्ट्रेस का जन्म पत्री निकालना है. स्ट्रेस का जन्म पत्री. जन्म पत्री is there is one international person also. It's a horoscope, like from where it came, how it evolved, and what all damage it's going to do for you. So we need to understand the stress blueprint also. Once we understand what is the problem, where is the problem coming from, only then we can fix it. Do you agree with me? I'll tell you with one very good example. When you have a leakage, water leakage problem in your house, who do you call? Type in the chat box. घर में पानी का पाइप का कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है, लीकेज हो रहा है पानी का, तो किसको बुलाते हो? Whom will you call when there's a water leakage problem in your house? Plumber. Plumber, yes. So plumber, if when the plumber comes, when you have called him that look, there is a water seepage problem in my house, plumber comes to your house because you have called. Then plumber will directly start putting cement all over it. What will the plumber do? What will the plumber do? Plumber will first inspect, will find out where is the leakage happening, analyze. Yes, plumber will go and see where exactly it is leaking from. It will find out the root cause analysis. It will find out ये किधर से leakage है. And then, yes, diagnostic, very good, Namsi. So it will find the blockage. Where is it leaking from? पहले you have to be aware, no? Awareness is power. So when the plumber gets aware, okay, there is the leakage point. Now he has the tools to fix it. लगा देगा वो pipe change उतना fix कर देगा निकाल देगा नहीं. He'll replace that error. He'll replace that leaking part, and then it will be fixed. So this is how any problem is fixed. When there is a problem, first we need to call the right person, and that's the role of mentor. So plumber is a mentor in our life. This is a very good example. Do you agree with me? All those who are behind cameras, I hope you are still enjoying the session. Be with me. This is a very beautiful example. Thank you, Smita. So this is a very beautiful example. When you call the plumber, you call the plumber for a water leakage problem. You did not call electrician. You did not call goldsmith. You did not call a doctor for a plumber problem. You called a plumber for a water leakage problem. You should know who will fix the problem. So first step was calling the right person. So that is plumber. In our life problems, you need to know who is the plumber for your life. You can't call a goldsmith for your plumber problem, no? So you need to have the right mentor. You should know that who is going to help me. And secondly, when the plumber comes, they will have a root cause analysis, know where is the leakage, where is the problem. And then the tools and techniques, the plastering, and then the solution is done. And then, do you know, plumber before leaving will give you some GAN tips. He'll give, no, plumber have, how many people called plumber in their house? Before going, he'll tell, no, don't, madam, don't do like this, don't do like that, keep like this only. What is that, you know? That is the sustainability. When you are given a solution to any problem, it should not come back. For that, the plumber will give you suggestion. That's the role of the mentor in your life. That when a problem is solved, it should not come back. The pattern should not repeat, and there will be a blueprint for that to understand. How many of you enjoyed this example of plumber? It just came to me just like that. I found it amazing. It just comes. Could you relate? Did you relate? Just write relate R in the chat box if you felt related with this example of plumber. And yes, thank you, Rohit. All of you, please engage in the chat box. Thank you, Sudhaji. Thank you, Sampath. Thank you, Rekha ji. Thank you, Manjusha. So this is how any problem we need the right person to solve, the right technique, right awareness, right tools and techniques. But there is a step by step. So this is called blueprint. मतलब ऐसे ही नहीं कि एक सेशन अटेंड कर लो और हो जाएगा. डॉक्टर पूनम इज अनाउंसिंग सम फ्री सेशंस, अटेंड करो, सब मेरा एकदम ठीक हो जाएगा. नो, दिस इज एन अवेयरनेस सेशन टू मेक यू अवेयर कि do you really want to change something in your life? Do you really feel that there are some areas in your life which needs improvement or which needs betterment or which needs a total transformation? And the first step is your willingness. Are you really willing for that? If you're not willing, then I can't do anything. No. See, here I'm talking, talking, talking. So many windows are closed. I cannot help you. Allow me to help you. That's the only request. So, Burnout to Balance Masterclasses, first masterclass is coming on Friday. It's a free session. Please register. I've sent it in the WhatsApp group. It's also there on my WhatsApp status. You will be amazed and blown away at the way we are going to look at stress. And just by the way you look at it, listen to me carefully, cup your ears. Okay, today we did not do any activity. I forgot. Cup your ears. Come, 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 come. My favorite activity. Khan, I said, cup your ears. And people behind the cameras. People behind the cameras. Cup your ears too. Okay. Oh my God. Cup your ears. Only because I forgot what I was supposed to do. Can somebody remind what I was supposed to do? I was talking about something. What was that? I was going to tell you some secret and I totally forgot. Manjusha, just type in the chat box. This happens. I get excited and exercise, but what exercise? How to look at the, yeah. Correct, correct. So, this program, which I'm going to bring, is not only about a knowledge program. How about we change the way we look at things? So, there is a one Balbon statement that I'm going to tell you. That's why I want you to cup your ears, cup your ears. कान ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे come near. I'm seeing everybody who is on camera. People behind camera, I can't help. Cup your ears. Shaji, Dilip, you're not cupping your ears. Nomsi, Mega, thank you. Thank you. Dilip, you're not cupping your ears. Cup your ears. कान को पास में लेके आओ. So the Balban statement is the way you look at things. When you change the way you look at things you look at changes. I'll repeat once again. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at changes. So what has to change? What has to change? You can't change the things. You need to change the way you look at them. You know, such amazing activities will do. And then you will feel everything will remain same, but stress will go away. That will be like, wow, right? Are you with me? Are you with me? So it's the mindset shift, it's the new filters, it's the new lenses, the new eyes when we have. Same things around us will not trigger us, will not bother us, will not create the stress, and Happiness will become our choice. It's our choice. Have you heard the word? Happiness is a choice. Happiness is a choice. How many of you have heard this word? Happiness is a choice. Happiness is a choice. हमारी खुशी हमारी choice है. कितने लोगों ने सुना है? How many of you have heard this? Type in the chat box. Happiness is a choice. Yes. And my request to you is make that choice for yourself. Keep choosing your happiness. Keep choosing yourself. Keep choosing your happiness because nothing is more important than you in your life. Nothing is more important than you and your happiness. Nothing is important, I repeat. So, I would like to conclude this session. This was just a little bit of superficial thing about the master class. The master class would be mind blowing with lots of activities, and you will understand how are we really going to reverse it. So when I share it in the WhatsApp group, please register for it. All of you are there in the WhatsApp group. Yes, I see the similar names. Yeah, please register for it, make use of it. And one more help I need from you all. I have not yet started running ads. I'll be starting running ads too. But because we are a big community of 500 plus people, if you could share with any of your friends and groups and family members who you feel can benefit from this stress management course, the Burnout to Balance Masterclass, please feel free to share that message to them with the link. Just a request. Thank you so much. So now we'll take some shares, 5 minutes, and then we'll wind up the session. How was the session? One word in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you, Sampath. Thank you, Shranga. Thank you, Nomsi. Thank you, Joy. Nomsi is joining us from, so we have crossed borders. She's one of our international attendees. I'm so grateful for you, Nomsi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shaji, Raghu, Dilip, thank you so much. Super, Tharish, thank you. Anybody wants to share? I'll unmute you. Today I learned one more setting. See, all these things I'm learning. Okay. Now you are my close family, so I'll be very open. No tamjham and all. The Zoom chalana and that last time, na, last time, I shared a wrong Zoom link. I was sitting somewhere and you were sitting somewhere. So I'm becoming intelligent slow and slow. So today I learned one more setting that we should unmute all participants and not allow. So I will unmute you. If you want to share, please raise your Zoom hand. Anybody wants to share? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 seconds. आपको कैसा लगा सेशन? आप शेयर करना चाहते हो? See, you are the very precious people, okay? And I see some names all the time, like Sudha ji comes. There are two Sudhas, and both the Sudhas come every time. Thank you so much. Rekha ji has also come continuously. Nomsi is joining second time. Megha has also joined. So there are few names which I see, and Shunga has also joined many times. So Rohit also and Harish also. So some of you are joining at every session. I'm so grateful to you. Thank you so much for showing up the way you are showing up. Anybody has a share? कुछ बोलना है आपको? Super teaser session. Thank you, Rekha ji. Good curtain raiser. Thank you, Sudha ji. Please register for the masterclass. You will enjoy the masterclass. The masterclass will be about, I think, 1 to 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. Yes, Megha, I'll try to unmute you. Oh, now this I have to learn. Wait. Megha.
It's done. It's done. It's done. I
Yeah,
can
I've
talk.
unmuted. Yes.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah. I want to say that the sessions are really powerful. I just love the energy with which you put across all the beautiful, knowledgeable things which are so practical and so to the point. So it's actually an experience for me to attend whenever I can your sessions. Keep it up.
Thank you so much, Megha. Thank you so
My
much
network is
joining. Yeah, I know
bad.
you are so busy, but you have still made your time. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Anyone else wants to
Thank
share?
you.
Yeah. Anyone else? You can raise hand. Yes, Rekha ji, I'll try to. Yeah.
Hi, Poonam. I cannot see you. Yeah,
Thank you so much. Yeah, for joining.
yeah. Pleasure to join you, and always a pleasure to, attend your sessions because they're full of knowledge, first of all, full of science, medicine, everything, and to add to it, a lot of positivity and this thing which you are going to talk about, that is stress. That is something we all need. So I'm looking forward to a very powerful session from you, Poonam, and I hope I'm able to time zones and all. So because I'm traveling, and wanted to tell you that the way you pack it up, the whole package which you give, you deliver, it's very powerful because you come from, you cover almost everything of relationship, mindsets, then the medicine, then health, and what else are you going to give us? You said a lot of activities are coming, so looking forward to this, and all of this is coming free. So definitely we are all going to be there, please. And I hope I'm able to bring in more participants, from the friends and family, and really looking forward to it. And as usual, Poonam, very lively, very happy, very बस आप दिख जाते हो तो बस वो आपकी एक स्माइल से ही सब बहुत बहुत चेंज हो जाता है. And also for the 10th, I've given a testimony. Please make use of it because this is the least I can do to all the, the takeaways and the value which you give me. I've given you a testimony. Please, I hope it has reached you. So
Yes,
all the
yes, I
best to
saw
you.
that. Thank you for such detailed one. I mean, I was amazed the way you have crafted it. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Oh,
Yeah.
welcome. Yeah, it speaks volumes of what, how you're touching our lives. So, really. And
Thank you so much.
everybody brings values, each one in their own way, and you are superb. So, keep going, and all the best for your masterclass. Looking forward to it. Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you
yes.
for
Thank you
today's
so much.
session.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you. Anybody else wants to speak, or shall we wind up the session then? Thank you so much for your presence here tonight. And I'll be sharing the masterclass details and the link in the group. So register if you have not registered, and then also pass it on to your friends, because stress is a part of our lives and it is going to be there. I'm telling you, मरने तक stress नहीं जाने वाला है. Stress रहने वाला है हमारे साथ. हमारा साथी है वो. Okay? But वो हमारा साथी को we have to make it as a friend. That's I can't tell you. I think I'll finish my masterclass here only. Otherwise, we have to make our stress as a friend and not as an enemy. And that's the beauty of that masterclass, which you'll really enjoy. Because it's going to be there. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं stress भगा दूंगी किसी का. Stress रहेगा आपके साथ, लेकिन आपका friend बन जाएगा. That's the way. That's the shift, big shift you're going to have. Okay, no shares? No more shares? Then shall we wind up? Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all.